Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Figure questions get easy fast when you hunt the biggest not threatened sections, compare the groups carefully, and lock the answer in under a minute. Start by finding the part of Figure 1 labeled Not Threatened, because the question only asks which groups have the greatest percent in that category, not total species or another threat level. Next, compare those not threatened portions across all organism groups in the figure, and watch which bars or sections are largest, because the biggest percentages identify the two groups we want. Those largest not threatened percentages belong to invertebrates and fish, so the matching choice is option C, and that finishes the comparison cleanly. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Do not rush signs or labels. Trust what is given in the figure and check each comparison step.